Is there?
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it.
Oh my goodness, how cute is he? How cute. Oh, look at my little baby. Anywho, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna go and first of all, let's wash these dishes. Okay, we're gonna wash these dishes, and while maintenance is there doing what they do, you know, fixing the door that Nova broke once again, the sliding door. I think I'm about to have my contractor come and look to fix this because I want to do some alterations or whatever. But anywho, do y'all like washing dishes? Because I don't. I need to hire a maid service because your girl is not about that life. I washed dishes my whole childhood by my mom, and I ain't about to have that. I need a dishwasher. Sorry. But anyway, we gonna go to Walmart because we having like this Halloween party, and all my neighbors are doing a theme, and we about to get it together and get this theme on, okay? So what y'all think is my theme? Because you know I'm not with all that gothic stuff. I'm not with all that demonic stuff, all that evil stuff. I'm not with it. But we in Walmart, and let's see what I get. Okay, these mangoes. Oh, yes. Let's see how much they are. 67 cents. I'm going to go one top lot. Oh my goodness, that's squealing. Ain't nobody got time for that. Who child is that? Anyway, we about to get some buttermilk Eggos, and I got Paris Hilton. Y'all saw it, right? The pink one, Paris Hilton waffle maker. So freaking adorable. But it is so tiring cleaning that thing to make waffles in the morning. And she got to be at school at 7 a.m. I don't have time for that. What you think I'm going to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to be making breakfast? Like I'm married and have to make breakfast for my husband and all my kids? No, I'm not doing that, honey. Anyway. Oh, these are my favorite. Oh my God. These Madeleines, honey, amazing. And I'm picking out, well, I'm just checking the prices, but look at these prices, honey. $10, $9.84. They love to put some $9.84 on there. $9.94, $9.84. What's the difference? 10 cents? You still gonna tax me? Like, you know, in Delaware, I think I want to move there. But you know, Delaware, they have no tax. Okay? You heard what I said. But anywho, let's go back to these candy. What's your favorite candy? I love Kit Kat. I love chocolate. Oh my goodness, I'm a chocolate fanatic. Ooh, what is this? Ew. I don't want no candy that got no pork in it. Anyway, I'm gonna do like a bowl, like the little Halloween Dunkin' jack-o'-lantern bowl that they have, that they collect candy, because we don't do trick-or-treating. We don't do all that. So what we're gonna do is make like some foam and make you put your hand in there and grab out like some gooey eyeballs or something. But it's really gonna be like marshmallows. I don't know, like a little science project. Look at this. Hey, yeah, I know y'all like this nonsense. Look at this. Oh my goodness, some of these jack-o'-lanterns. Look at this. I'm gonna use that bucket. Look like some people that I know. Or some people I used to know. Buddy, cool. Buddy right there. Buddy! Look at him. He's all sweet. Yeah. Maybe I should. What I said. Look like some people I used to know. Anyway, them dogs look just like people that I used to know. It should have been snakes. Skeleton snakes. Because those people are snakes in my eyes. But okay. Look at them all hung up. Oh, I gotta let y'all see, because you know we had to do our dance. And you know my favorite movie is Nightmare Before Christmas, and I don't care, because Jack will always be the man to me. And why they have black skeletons? What's that about? Anyway, here I go.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
missed it. Who did? Damn. Why are you dancing with these random men? I don't know what they thought. I thought they was dead. A lot of men look like they did, but they're not. Oh, you are recording you dancing with random men. You gave me a kiss. Oh. Take it away. What? You can't see? No, not at all. Not at all.